Okay, hello everybody. This is our small update on my AI challenge. So things are coming out of hands quite quickly uh, because I decided to do something a little bit bigger than just smarter than Star Citizen AI here. It's going to be not only smarter, it's already smarter, but it's going to be a little bit more fun. So, okay, first things first. I finalized the goal oriented action planning system. So it has some number of classes. So we have our GOAP agent, we have our GOAP AI controller, we have our planner, which uses a star algorithm to plan the actions, not only to plan the actions, but to calculate the most efficient way of actions. So we got goal tables. We have only two goals for now, just one for patrol. But basically, the system, I made it like a plugin for Unreal Engine, so I'm going to publish it even. So what it will basically allow you to do to create any kind of goals. It can be any combat goals or even any non-combat NPC goals or the mix of them. Just any goals. Just open the door, feed yourself, find some food, earn money. Any kind of stuff you can do with this. For now, it's just the patrol that kill the enemy, as I'm debugging right now and testing the whole planning system. It seems to be working. The second one is the table of actions. So we are creating the patrol points, we're patrolling, we're shooting at enemy. We don't have the behavior tree for that for now. Because I don't need it right now. So the next thing I'm going to implement are just set of some tactical actions, just to flank the enemy, to avoid the enemy, to find the cover, to call for backup, and things like that. Yeah, which will create the ability for my AI to act tactically and quite random. As for the randomness, I have such thing here. Yeah. So I came up with this things. I call it a reactor. So every NPC, every AI character in my plugin, it is going to have this set of traits, character traits. Yeah, so these are reflexes, the endurance, the accuracy, the courage, the temperament, the observation, the resolve, and all that stuff. It is going to influence how the AI will behave, but not only how it will behave during the combat or patrolling, but it is going to influence which goals it's going to take. So the coward, the NPC, is not going to be patrolling alone. So the less brave this guy is, the least probably he's going to patrol by himself alone, because he's too frightened for that. So that's how it's going to work here. So now we have, let's see what we have in our planning system. So, okay, we got the first log. So, yep, when we started, we initialize in the controller, we start planning, we're choosing the best goal from the point of view. So we are looking at the world state right now. For example, do we have an enemy visible? Do we know where the enemy is? Do I have health? Do I know? Do I have teammates or something like that? So based on all that stuff, this guy is going to choose the best option. For now, the only option for him is patrol. Yeah, so the best goal found is patrol with the priority 1. This one is we don't need it. I'm not going to delete it from the behavior or from the blackboard, but okay. So then we get the current world state. So we have the boolean, the enemy detected is false. We don't have any patrol route. We don't have any. The enemy is not dead. So because we don't even know where the guy is. So then we are getting the set of actions. Yeah. So the system choosing what is going to be the best course of action. So it's not going to plan shoot the enemy first before patrolling or creating the patrol points. Yeah. So because the every action here, it got its own effect. So if I will do the action to create patrol points, my effect will be the existing patrol route. So out of these points, I will get some route to patrol. It is going to be always random. So the NPC is not going to cruise over some predefined set of points. He's always going to. There is always going to be some kind of randomness in his actions, just to make it look real, and which is not random here. Yeah, I'm creating the volumes for each room or each area of interest. I'm creating volumes. So the action will be initialized, it will pick the random point inside each room, and those points are going to be always different. So let me get rid of my character for now, because if he will see me, he's not going to patrol anymore. He will try to kill me. But okay, so what do we have here? So here is our guy. We don't need this. We need his perception system, and I believe this one. So you see, the guy is following. Okay, let me okay, turn off this. So he got the point. Just look at those points. When he will finish the current patrol, he will not only shuffle the points, yeah, he will rebuild the whole point array. So each time he's going to check these spaces, he's going to check different place in those spaces, different area, from different angles. So that's quite a task to hide from this guy, because that's how real people behave, most likely. Yeah, if I'm on patrol within some area, then I'm not going to walk between 2 points. I'm going to change my route and to do lots of random stuff here. So that's what he's doing right now. Yeah, and he got a new set of points which are exactly random. So he's not going to return to his initial point, so he will be roaming. Yeah, he's running quite quickly because that's a debugging, and I'm tired of waiting while the guy is just walking. Okay, so the next thing here is to make him see me, and he's already doing that pretty good. So now if he will see me, he will just stop. Yeah, and from that point he saw me and he stopped right there. So if I will relaunch that, and for example I will stand here, yeah. So the reason for this, so you see he's not exposed to my fire because I'm going to shoot this guy very soon. He's not exposed. He like a real human, when he sees threat, yeah, that's the maximum that we are going to see from this guy. He's not going to expose himself anymore. Yeah. So basically hiding from this guy is quite a task right now. When he's alone, that's a task. When there are 2 or even 3 of them, and we remember that in Star Citizen Bunker we have 10 of them, so it becomes pretty much impossible, because those guys, yeah, that guy, he spotted me, yeah, and all of them, they spotted me. So that guy was the first one, that was the second one, and you see they're acting now from different positions. So yeah, that guy spotted me. And pretty much everything is finished for me from this from this very moment. So I can still come to this guy and maybe kill him even, yeah, because yeah, he has no eyes on his back. But that's not going to save me anymore, because the next set of actions will be those tactical actions I've mentioned in the very beginning of the system of this video. So yeah, that's pretty much how it works right now. So what do I have? I have working planning system. Yeah, working goal oriented planning is working right now. I can create any kind of goals. I can simulate any kind of situations. The second thing, the patrolling, will be quite random. So we're not going to see this guy every time, yeah, patrolling in the same way. He's going to patrol in different ways. So that's going to give us some randomness and some realism into our part. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to proceed with the tactical behavior, but that's already just creating some behavior tree. Yeah, as for the behavior tree, for example, yeah, we have this. The behavior trees are pretty much atomic. They're very simple. So we're creating, we are giving the signal to our class that the action is completed. Yeah, so here we're simultaneously checking for the enemy, so that will change some world state variables, and we will see our next point will be to hide or to seek for the cover or to attack if the NPC has, for example, from this position. So if he will see me from here, yeah, he can attack me, but I believe his decision will be just to step away, because he's on my line of fire and I'm not on his, so he has to turn to shoot at me. So that's not the best position for him, and from this point he will do something like this. He will retreat, he will ask for help from his fellow NPC friends. Then they will decide what they're going to do, but from this position there are not very much of combinations what he can do. He can possibly do here, because there's only one entrance. Yeah, so this is quite rough copy of Star Citizen bunker, yeah, or entrance. So here's the entrance. We got this room, we got this cover. So yeah, and we got only one entry point. So here it will be the big hall with the stairs down there. So that will be connected. Just I don't need that for right now. But from this point, it's not really much. So it's useless to attack from this, because I'm in a very good position here, and this position is very good. So I can shoot all the space. I can change the cover. And someone will die if they will try just to attack me from this position. So that's why I'm trying to make this AI not to make stupid decisions, because decision to attack or just to see, oh, what's happening here, why I have a body on this place. That's how the Star Citizen AI behaves. Yeah, there is a body, and all of them, they will come to look okay, and I will shoot them on this very spot, all of them. That happens all the time. So they will do some tactical decisions. They will see, okay, do I have a flanking opportunity here? Not really, not much. Can I ambush this guy? Yes, I can ambush this guy. Can I retreat and just cover this thing, because my aim is to protect the bunker, and this guy he has to kill us all. So that's why if the player will sit here, the most realistic behavior for the NPC will ambush him somewhere. Yeah, and from this point, yeah, there are a lot of possible tactical plans or tactical actions are possible from here. I can be flanked here. I can be ambushed on my way to that stairs. So there are plenty of things they can do, but to attack me here, it's not a very good idea for them, I believe. But again, I'm not going to script that kind of behavior. They will make their decision based on the situation, based on the available actions, based on the chosen goal, and I'm not controlling what goal or what course of actions is going to be chosen, because they will just make this stuff optimal. They will, with the A-star algorithm, they will find the optimal path to reach their goal. So that's how that works right now. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. In the next videos, I will tell you more about the GOAP, and you will see how far I am on this path of implementing the goal-oriented action planning. Yeah. So thanks for watching.